Hey guys, and welcome to JBS Garage. And in this video, as you can see, I'm riding the mini motor. So, let's just crack right on.
It's so fucking funny. Yo, what a legend. Bye, brother. Oh my god.
Oh, he's coming back, he's coming back.
He's doing fucking lap times.
Oh no. Oh no.
What's that about? No!
There you go, boys. She's running. Jack's down there. Sam's there. We've had a few issues. My fault because the gas gets here in the way. Let's go. This is scattered. There you go, Sam's turn on it. The dog nearly got him. Oh, the dog nearly got him. Fucking hell.
Jeez, man.
And Jack's having a go too. Watch when he comes back up, that's when you see the real speed, when you fly back up the road. Because this thing goes. It goes hard. Oh, let's get a good old shot of this. He's just turning round. Racing the moped. So, it's Brad recording right now. I'm recording this on my phone and Jack's phone at the same time. So you're probably going to see two clips that look identical but different qualities. Yeah, I just told it to full throttle it up past here now. So let's just see what happens. Mums, I would have loved to watch that thing die, wouldn't you? Like,
I want to see at top speed. I want to see a top speed somewhere.
same. I might do, you know.
Take it somewhere and get a full flat stretch.
Yeah.
So fucking loud. GPS and you
Yeah.
see how far.
Me and Jack are going to have the exact same clip with the same link and everything.
And I'm going to have the head thing on. Even though you can only really tell speed, like how fast you're going.
I'm going to have to put a link to your video, ain't I?
Yes, boys. You need to get like a little GPS on. Like,
I've got one on my phone for a thing.
Yeah,
that's why I know it used to do 28.
like zip touch your yoke or something. You know what it reminds me of?
What's that?
A monkey boat.
Yeah. It's smaller though, isn't it? I might have another go, you know.
If you do have to,
Yeah.
that's
So guys, as you can see, we didn't really make much assembly videos today. None of us did. We kind of just wanted to get stuck into it and just do it whilst we could. So we've got it going. The panels and stuff will all be going on, but the thing is, we need to zip tie them together and repair them and everything. And that's just not a today job. Today's job was just to get it running and get it going, and we've successfully done that now. I mean, we had a bit of an issue at the start with something floating around in the carb, but that's done now. So yeah, everything's sweet. She needs new front and rear cables for the brakes, but that's fine. Something I can just sort out very soon. And yeah, overall, I'm very, very happy with the result. I'm guessing she's doing about 35 miles per hour. I might try and get a little speed run in soon. I'll give you a little screenshot of the actual GPS max speed of it so far before we take it to a flat strip somewhere. He's off, I can't run that fast. Fuck me, it whizzes. That thing is quick.
Go on, mate. You know what I mean? Just Hooray, Oh, look at that. What's that noise that makes? So this is a big ground bar for him to just be dinging it. Look at this, yeah. Oh shit, son. Go on, Andy, go on. Go.
Oh gee, don't turn too quick, you'll die. So guys, look here, pretty shit day. Look at the sprocket, but oh well, shit happens. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, Turbo Warrior, you know, all that jazz. Peace guys.